What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you guys had a wonderful Monday. We had some great trading today. I'm going to walk you through step by step. I did a little bit of a new strategy today where I combined my systems together. So I really wanted to take some time today to discuss why I traded that way and also to give you guys some tips and tricks going into tomorrow. So if you're ready, my friends, let's step into the war zone. First and foremost, let's shout out a few of you guys here and then we'll get right into it. Doc, what's going on? STK Trading Wars Army, Briggs Trading Wars Army, Eric Brown Trading Wars Army, Collecto, what's going on, brother? Ernesto, Dr. D, John, Edwin Trading Wars Army, Eric Brown Trading Wars Army, Jay Villa, Dane Trading Wars Army, Todd Trading Wars Army, Lil CJ Trading Wars Army. Good to see you, brother. Zero, this door, Surfing Trends, my brother. Good to see you, bro. Hope you're doing well today. Appreciate you. And Call Mean, what's going on, brother? Good to see you, Trading Wars Army. All right, let's do this. All right, so I'm going to hit the replay here, and we're going to step right in. So the first thing we do each and every day, my friends, is we draw the previous day's high right here and the previous day's low. So I'm on SPY right now on the 3-minute chart. So coming into the pre-market, I noticed that we will be gapping up. So we were gapping up right around here. And I start to think in the morning of, what kind of strategies do I want to employ on the day? What kind of strategies do I want to use on the day? And because we were gapping up, I decided that I wanted to use the opening range breakout. So here we go. So here is the first candle of the day. And anytime we gap above the high or gap below the low, I'm expecting there to be volatility in the market. And the reason that is because this gap either traps shorts or it can cause profit taking from the bulls. You could see that we're, building up position since the 4th of August. And with that type of price action, it's a day trader's heaven because we know we're going to get movement. And that's what we need in order to make money. Whether you're long or short, you need movement. Okay. So here's the first 3-minute candle. You can see it's an extremely bullish candle. So what we did here, guys, I'm going to go ahead and draw 2 lines. So here is the high of the candle. We'll put that in green. And then we'll also put the low in green. Okay. So the opening range breakout is waiting for this range to break. Okay. So if it breaks above this line, I want to go long. If it breaks below this line, I want to go short. So we don't have a bias. We trade the price action, whatever it wants to give us. If you want to go long, I'll go long. If you want to go short, I'll go short. So we play what the price action can present. Okay. Call Mean Trading Wars Army, Delfino Trading Wars Army, Motivate Sage Trading Wars Army. What's going on? Lisa, what's going on? Raphael, good to see you. All right, so let's go ahead here to my live commentary. So right here, guys, at 9:33 is when we got long. So I said, going to focus on the orb 3-minute here, and we had a long trigger at 413.70. Okay, so let me go ahead and draw that too, because that's going to come into play a little bit later in the day. So let me just go ahead and draw that right there, 413.70. Right there. All right. So let's get rid of these lines now. Okay. So here we go. So we got filled long at 9:33, target 1 416.50, and then we hit that right away. And then I did the stacking. Okay. So now I'm going to show you that in detail. So the first trade we had, we take the fib, take it on the low to the high like this. So we got filled right here. So we got long right here. I'll go ahead and write that out. So the first entry was an ORB. All right. And you can see we got to the 272 extension right there. And that's our first target. So when you get into this situation, there's a few things you can do. You can take your first target, move your stop loss to break even and get out. Or you can just close the position if you just want to scalp. But what I did today instead, guys, is I took my anchor and I moved it higher. So what I did there is I combined the opening range breakout and the morning leg Fibonacci. And where I was focusing on was on the 618. Okay, so I said, all right, this is a very powerful bullish candle. We're gapping up. It's Monday morning. So what I'm going to look here is I see the market wants to pull back. So I'm going to leave my order here on the 618. And then I'm going to add here on the 618. And then I'm going to just scale out as we climb back up the ladder. So that's the game plan there. So second entry, 618 Fibonacci. So I'm taking my existing position and I'm adding to it. My maximum risk is the low of the day down there. That's my maximum stop loss. Okay. So here we go. So I said, I'm going to use the morning leg fib as a dip buy opportunity. Then we'll try to take into new highs if we get there. So I drew this up in real time for everybody. And then I said right here, dip buy on 415.55, 618 Fibonacci. So I said I added on the 618 right there. Okay, so I'm drawing this in real time and letting everybody know what I'm doing. So we got the fib fill right there, guys, and watch how beautiful this is. Okay, so we came down, we touched it one time right there, guys, and it shot right back up. It was so beautiful because the algorithm, I had the right idea today that the algorithm, there was a bullish one here. We came right in, we tagged that one time, and then we shot up, guys, and then check this out. Boom, boom, new high. Beautiful. And that was my trades for the day, right? Those two right there, guys, we got that orb. We'll pull back right on the 618. I had my order waiting there. Boom, filled, take it into a new high. Beautiful. And right around here, when we make that new high, I'm out of my position. 90% of my position, I'm out. And I always leave a little runner on. So a little runner, like a small position with a break even to see if I can catch a home run play. All right, guys. So send me the rockets right there. Was that a great trade? That was a great trade to start Monday. So I said, scale out here, taking profits here, guys, leaving a small position on. Did you like the 618 dip buy? Send the hearts. Scaling out, no greed. New high of day. We played it like masters. Who's banking with me? So absolutely crushed that. That one was like destroyed. And, it's a little bit risky. Don't get me wrong. It's a little bit risky because I'm taking two positions here. But when it works, you can make massive profits. And this is what I call stacking. So I took the orb and I stacked it with the fib. So that is your opening range breakout plus your 618 Fibonacci dip buy. Algorithm was right there where I thought it was. And then boom, hit it hard right there. Just your orders waiting and take it right back up. And yeah, that was pretty close to as perfect as it gets. So let's go ahead here to MES. I got some questions about, like points and stuff like that. So let's look at this trade. So this is the same first candle. This is the 930 bar. So if we were to get long right here, okay, that's your orb entry right there. And here's your 618 entry. So from your orb entry to your high, that's 11 points. And then from your 618 to your high, that's about 21 points. So let's just say being conservative, you made 15 points. Okay, just being conservative. And all you just follow the same approach. When we get into new highs, that's where you want to get out. So 15 points on one contract, that's equals to 750 bucks. Okay, so that's one contract. If you want to do a mini contract with futures, then that's going to be 75 bucks. All right, so still good gains, guys. Good gains right there. Very, very good gains. And I was pretty much done right there. Derry came back and he caught some fibs. So let's look at his Fibonacci plays. But whenever I have a home run play like this, especially on a Monday, I'm gonna call it because I don't want to overtrade. Overtrading is the number one issue with traders, and we think that trading more is going to make more money, but that's not the truth, guys. That's not the truth at all. Why is this log thing on? There we go. All right. Okay. So after this, the next play that we had was a little bit more of an advanced Fibonacci. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and show you that. So we're going to go ahead here to my Twitter. And I'm going to go right here. So TW Derry, this is my younger brother who also draws the fibs for us. And he's doing a new small account challenge. So this is small account challenge, 8 out of 100. So this is the 8th trade out of 100 trades. So $303 on this trade here. Let me walk you through this one. So this trade here is called an opposing leg Fibonacci. So this is advanced. I don't recommend this for everyone until you understand the basics of the fibs, but I still want to show you guys. So we came in here at the high. Okay. So let me make sure I get the right time here. So when was this trade executed? 10:45. 10, okay, 30 right there. And then 40, 45 right there. All right. So 35, sorry, 2 more bars. There we go. Okay. So every time we have a push up, we will get a push down at some point, right? The market doesn't just go up forever. Okay. So that's for sure. Even if we go down, we're going to pull back at some point. If we go up, we're going to pull back at some point. So on this pullback, There's two ways to play this pullback. The first one is your traditional afternoon leg, right? You have your 50 to your 786, and you can see right here, the algorithm came in on the 50 and took it back up. The other way to play this is through the opposing side. The opposing side is taking it from the high to the low like this. And this trade couldn't be any better because if we look at it here, Derry took this trade right here on the 786 entry. And you can see right here at 41.85, right? So if I go here, you could see the high of this was 41.85. So, I mean, it makes me blush sometimes thinking about how powerful the Fibonacci is. But that 786, I'll draw it here with you guys. That 786 was exactly 41.85, right? So if there's your 41.85. There's your high on that outside bar. So we're short right here, okay, on this leg down. So this leg down, taking the pullback into the 786 like this. And then it's just beautiful. Because only the Fibonacci could do that. Nothing else can. Nothing else can. There's no other indication right here that this line, this blue line, this 786 is going to be short other than the Fibs. And he quickly scalped it back down here. But if he has, so he got out at 41.79 and a quarter and made $303. So let's look at that, 41.79 and a quarter. Let's go back here. Let me remove these. So 41.79 and a quarter. So let me draw up the trade. So we shorted right here at 85. Okay. 79 and a quarter was right here. All right. So I know this is hindsight. Okay. So this was the trade. So I know this was hindsight. So we took it here for about 6 points. If we had held it till the end of the day, what could we have made? Let's see how much points. 50 points. All right. So look, just to show you guys, right? You're never going to get all of the move. You're never going to get that. So you have to come to peace with, are you going to be a scalper or are you going to be going for home runs? It's very difficult to be in between unless you have a big account, then you can scale up. But that was beautiful there. So very, very nice trade, guys. Nice fib trade here. Make sure you're following TW Dairy for the small account challenge. And we're also doing that live in the Fibonacci live setup room. We draw the fibs live in real time for you, my friends. Okay. So from there, just to recap one more time. So let me go from the beginning. Hit me with a 6 if you're following me so far. I know there was a lot of setups there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start back from the beginning and I'm going to write down all of the setups. Okay. So hit me with a 6 if you're following me though. So I'm going to go do this quickly. So back to the 3-minute chart. Hit the replay like this. All right. First candle comes in, we gap up. First trade we take, opening range breakout. Second trade we take is 618 morning leg. Third trade is opposing leg. Fourth trade is trigger. No, fourth trade is afternoon leg. And fifth is trigger. Right? So let me walk you through each one. Okay. So we gapped up. Okay. First thing I want to do with that volatility is hit the opening range breakout. I'll go to my live commentary, walk you through that again. So the orb, we got long at 933. Then we came and we added on the 618 right here. I added on the 618 right there. So first trade is long right here. Second trade, draw this up here. Take it from high to low. We added here on the 618. That's number 2. Okay. And then we came into the 618. Boom, 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 boom. Made a new high. Exceptional. Then from here, as we started making this new high up here, we started looking for the opposing leg. So this was Dairy's trade. I didn't take this one. So we keep going here, right here. So you take it from high, you bring it back down to low. The short entry is waiting here on the 786. Came up, touched it to the penny, guys, right there. Boom. And then watch this. See how beautiful that is? Like this part right here, that one gives me chills. That one gives me chills because if you weren't to see anything, but if you were to just cover this screen, right, and you only saw this green bar, you would be like, man, this thing is bullish. It's going to make a new high, right? That's what it looks like. But only the fibs can show you that hidden support and resistance. All right. And then after that, we had the afternoon leg. So the afternoon, we had that 50 touch, and then the other fibs didn't hold. So the rest of the fibs here, you could see they didn't hold. These ones didn't hold. So that one was a loser. And then we came back into the long trigger, which was the last play of the day. Let me get that for you guys. So the trigger long was 412.91. Is that right? Was 413.70. So I'll draw that line right there, horizontal line, 413.70 right there. And then just watch how we interact when we come down to this line. So we come here, boom, right? So that's our long trigger. We get filled right there and we pop right back up. So whenever you're doing these triggers, guys, this is what I like to look for. Nice little scalp here. So we got filled on the green line. And then once you get into profit, you take some profits, you put your stop loss to break even. You don't have time to play around. Take your money, be happy, move on, because this is what can happen after that. See that? So that's why I always am aggressive with my trigger, in and out, in and out, in and out. All right. So pretty nice day. Very happy for it. Very grateful for it. Couldn't ask for anything more. Got that big power play in the morning and good to go. All right, guys. So there we go. Hit me with a 10 if you followed me there. That was a SPY recap. I'm also going to look at Amazon real quick and we'll do some scans and then we'll wrap it up. So do swing instead of options. If you're a newbie, you will blow your account. There's no consistency as compared to swing. Do swing. Okay. You make it look easy. I make it look easy because I do it every day. I've been doing it every day for 7 years. So at some point, it's got to get easy. You know what I mean? At some point, it's got to get easy. I tried to take fib because long and the opposing leg, as you see, it did not work out. Yep. Yeah. So this fib, the morning leg fib, this was the best one. You could see the algo touched it one time and just ran it right back up. The afternoon was hard. It didn't really hold up. And I think that's also because there was this open gap, right? So we filled that gap, but still we had the trigger that came in right here, taking us back up. So lots of opportunities today. So let's go to Amazon right now. And I want to walk you guys through this one. Okay. I know I've been getting a lot of traction in the stock room. And I think it's because you guys love the automated style of trading. So let's walk through Amazon together. Okay. So first thing is we'll go to the Twitter. And remember, I post my stock picks every single day. Okay. So Amazon was my focus pick today right here. So you can see Amazon and I wrote focus. So that was my focus. So our line in the sand for Amazon was 142.53 and 139.93. So let's mark this up together. Okay. So here we hit the replay together. Oops, this replay. Appreciate your guys' time again, man. Thank you. Thank you. I really hope you guys are learning something here. I don't want to waste your time. So 142.53, that the green line is where we want to go long. And the red line is where we want to go short. And that was 139.93. So whenever I go into the trading day, I always have my lines drawn on my chart because it gives me an idea of how I want to trade. So if I go to the daily chart for Amazon, you could see we had a tight inside bar, right? The inside bar, guys, very similar to this one over here. The last time we had an inside bar on Amazon, we made $2,000, right? And the calls went up like 300%. So I literally am doing the same thing. I'm like, okay, another inside bar. We're consolidating. We're trapping some traders. We're killing option premiums. All right, I'm going to try the same thing. Just look at this chart. Most of the inside bars on Amazon, probably 70% of the inside bars on Amazon have led to big winners the next day. So I'm literally just using, I'm scanning for these plays and I'm just using the same patterns over and over again because that's how you stay consistent. I'm never chasing anything. I let it come to me. So I waited for Amazon, close with that inside bar. Let's go here to the 3-minute. So the green line is where I want to go long and then the red line is where I want to go short. So the main difference is in my room, I give my targets and my stop loss. So let's go ahead and do the targets for Amazon. So the target long was 143.41. Horizontal line, 143.41. Let's make that yellow right there. And let's also put the stop loss. So the stop loss for Amazon was 141.61. Okay, so here 141.61. So this is trigger trading and this could be fully automated. Okay, So let me make this a different color so it doesn't confuse anyone. So the green line is where we want to get long. All right. So first candle comes in. Okay. So we get filled right there. This is what I love to see at the open. So notice we opened here. Okay. And then when the candle is closing, right, we break through our entry. So we'll go to the 1 minute. I'll show you in more detail. So this is even more picture perfect. So we open here, we have a little doji, okay? And then the next candle comes in, boom, pierces our entry. Now we're filled. So now we're going to the target, yellow line. There we go. Very clean. So within about 15 minutes today, this was about a 25% return on options. On shares, could have been a lot more, depending on how much size you went with. But that's what I'm looking for. And then, guys, once we get up here into the target, now I want to protect myself. I want to move that stop loss up like this to protect me, because this can happen right after. See? So we made a new high, and then we came back down later in the day, and we sold off. Okay? So make sure you put that protection, okay? Because we can always turn back around and come all the way down, right? So take your profits, and then every new high, you want to be scaling out. Let's go to the 5 minute here so I can show you a little bit clearly. And then from here, guys, you could see, got the stop loss to break even, and then we come all the way back down to the red line, and you can play them both ways. So now we come to the red line, there's your short entry, there's your flush. See that, guys? So really, really nice. And this is my automated style of trading. I put the orders in the broker, like these plans that I have, I put this inside my broker, and I let the broker do the work. So that's Amazon recap. I'm going to try to do more stock recaps every single day. Hit me with a 6. Do you like the stock recaps plus SPY? Does that help you guys out? D Money, Rich, thank you for another green Monday, brother. Thank you, brother, for the $4.99. I appreciate that. Appreciate you. Thank you so much. All right. All right, guys. So what I'm going to try to do going forward is SPY plus one stock. SPY plus one stock. So I keep building you up slowly. I want to build you up. You guys are like my science project, and I want you to become superheroes. So I'm just going to build you up piece by piece. I give you guys little bits of nuggets every single day until you get it. All right. And when you get it, you're going to make me proud, and you're going to make some money. All right. And you're going to take some of that money. You're going to take 10% of that money, and you're going to give it to charity, or you're going to do something nice for your family. You're going to do something good. All right. Promise me that. Hit me with the 5 if you promise me that. You make money, and you're going to be a giving person. Correct? I don't want any traders to be greedy. Whether you're greedy in the stock market or you're greedy in real life, it doesn't end well. Trust me. Greedy people never succeed, guys. Never. All right, there we go. Check me out at tradingwars.com. That's the place to be. That's where I'm at, guys. You can grab any one of my 3 books. You get 1 month for free. Come trade with us live tomorrow. You get my indicators, my upgraded ones that send alerts to your email or phone for free for life, as well as my scanners. Check me out, guys. 70 pages, 69 pages, 50 charts on the Fib book. The SPY book is everything you want to know about SPY. I talk about futures as well to help you out there, and automated trading. Or you can sign up right here on the main page if you prefer to do that. But I strongly recommend getting the book, because you get the education and the 1 month for free. So you have the best opportunities to learn. Okay. What else? Let's go ahead and do some scans with Trendspider. Let's see if there's anything looking at tomorrow. Let's see what we have. Let me log in there. I don't know why I got to log in again, but let's go here. All right, here we go. So I'm here with the blue raindrops. So we have AMD is my #1 blue raindrop going into tomorrow. AMD is always a powerful play. Always, always, always a powerful play. So I always, if AMD shows up, I'm gonna be trading that for sure. So for you could see here in my trade plans, I'm now posting blue raindrop plans, because everyone has been asking me for them. So now I do 6 stock picks a day. 4 are regular Trading Wars patterns, and then at least 2 blue raindrops if we have the setups. Okay, so AMD probably #1 pick for tomorrow. Let's go ahead here and look for some holy grails if there's any. So Wells Fargo, some financials with some holy grails. Looks like it's just been chopping for a while. Yeah, I'm gonna stay away from that. I'm gonna let it do its thing. Not really interested on that chop, and no Nirvanas. All right, so here we go. The main one, like I said, my friends, AMD. We'll be focusing on that tomorrow. ATVI is also a nice pick. ATVI, since that earnings gap has been in this wall for a very, very long time. So thank you, my friends. If you want to get my scans and my layout here for Trendspider, use code TWZ30 at checkout for 30% off, or just email these guys right here, hello@trendspider.com. Where are you at? Hello@Trendspider. Where are you? Right here. Email hello@trendspider.com if you're already an existing customer and you want to move over to my affiliate. You'll get my custom scanners, indicators, all the good stuff. All right. Thanks, guys. 100 trade challenge. Make sure you're filling this in. I'm going to shout out the next person who gets this done. Keep it going. 100 trades. If you can get to the end of this, you will be a completely brand new trader. Trading Wars Golden Indicators. I'll link it in the chat for you guys. Add it to your chart for free, no charge. Thank you very much, my friends. I see people asking about Amazon. What did Amazon put in a blue? See a lot of people asking about Amazon. Let's see. Oh, yeah. There we go. Nirvana. Why didn't it show up? Interesting. But yeah, there we go. Nice, strong Nirvana on Amazon. Thank you, friends, for calling that one out. So I've got to put this one back on the radar. Thank you. I don't know why it didn't scan here. It should have. Unless I'm on the wrong time frame. Maybe I'm on the wrong time frame. Oh, shit. I was on the wrong time frame. So there we go. Amazon. Yes, sir. Thank you. Leave a comment, guys. Giveaway every Sunday. Whenever we break 200 live people on stream, I'm going to do giveaway. It could be any day. Whenever we get over 200, okay? So next time, bring your dog, bring your parents, bring your kids, bring everybody. Because when that number, the live audience crosses 200, it'll be giveaway time. Thank you very much. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care.